To begin, trace the outline of a fireplace onto a piece of coaster board. Trace a square in the center. Trace out the edge of the mantle. Next, cut out as shown. Bend both flaps back. For the sides, bend 2 pieces of cardboard to fit, and then glue on. Trace the face of the mantle onto a piece of construction paper. Cut out and then glue onto a piece of coaster board, and then cut out. Glue the face of the mantle onto the fireplace. Cut 7 pieces of coffee sticks to fit. Glue them on, as shown. Paint, using acrylic paint. Glue down a piece of metallic paper over the entrance of the fireplace. Cut a piece to fit the top of the mantle. Use a metallic marker for the edges, and then glue down. Align and mark the sides of the fireplace onto a piece of coaster board. Cut out slits. Cover the front and both sides with coaster board. Glue on paper bricks, and then paint. Slide fireplace into slits. Cut tiny slices into a lollipop stick, and then distress the stick. Cut into sections, paint, and then glue down onto fireplace. Bend, and then twist 2 pieces of 24-gauge wire. Glue each wire onto a piece of square paper. Glue 2 beads onto the side of the fireplace, and then glue the tools onto the beads. All done. Thank you so much for watching. If you've made it to the end of the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'd greatly appreciate it. It would help me out a lot.